All right, this is Mr. Poggio, and we're at the Cambridge Virtual Academy in Makerspace, and this is your Microscope Insta Lab. So we're going to be using and leveraging the CVA fish tank. What you want to do is to make sure to grab a really good life sample. You're going to be able to go back here, and by the way, everything will be in this general space, but you're going to want to go back here to the filter. Make sure you go to the dry station and grab your pipette. Right in the back in the filter, make sure you grab the good amount of gum. Sometimes I'll have some samples here. For instance, I went to a pond and grabbed some algae, so I'll take a look at algae. But we're gonna be able to see live microbes right inside a normal fish tank. Make sure to grab a slide and a slide cover. Make sure to get your specimen on the slide. Be careful with the slide covers. These slide covers can crack and break. Put it on top of the stage in the microscope. And as long as you have your USB communication via laptop and your microscope camera software, we will be able to take a look. Oh, you'll have to make sure to turn on the light of the microscope as well. But we're going to be able to take a look at live specimen in addition to preset slides in your Insta Lab. You'll be able to look at different magnifications. You have an ocular lens magnification of 10x, and then you have objective lens magnification at 10x, 40x, and 100x. So depending on the specimen you're looking at and the size of viewing that you'd like, you have 3 different options with magnification. Make sure to take a look at the comments below. There'll be a link to the actual Google Doc that follows this microscope lab so that we can have 4 different observations. Make sure when you're all done, remember, we're not here to clean up after you, we got to clean up after ourselves. So make sure to take your slide and your slide cover. There will be a dry station. Be careful not to turn on the sink too fast. It can come out with quite some force. Once it's clean, you can go ahead and leave your slide and your cover slip on the dry station. Remember, each slide will have its own individual scratches or markings. You'll be able to see that and identify that when you're looking in the microscope. Have fun and take a look back at how Leeuwenhoek, the Dutch scientist from the late 1600s, number one, increased the scientific importance of the microscope, going beyond the compound and microscope, which is what we're using today, and also taking a look at this idea of pond water and what's in our water. So we're going to ask you to do the same thing that Leeuwenhoek did in the 1600s and see what's up with water in the CVA fish tank. Thanks guys, and good luck with the Microscope Insta Lab. This is Mr. Poggio from CVA.